there. How are you? Sorry about that. Welcome. I am so excited that you're back, and this craft is actually for all you ferocious readers and bookworms out there. I know you're there. Put down your book. We are about to do an amazing project, and this project is going to solve all your bookworm issues, because I know when we read a book, you have your bookmark in, and when you finally find the page, or when you're looking for the page, it falls out. What is the point in that type of bookmark? I don't know. So the solution to all your problems today is a bookmark that stays in the perfect spot. So if I have my little grapefruit bookmarks, it goes right in the corner, and even when I open up the book or flip the pages, it stays in the perfect spot. And how cute are they? And they are just envelopes. That's what they're made of. It is super, super simple, just envelopes. You don't have to fold. I know you might be thinking, oh, this is origami. I'm not good at folding. No. Stay right here. No origami, just snip, snip, snip. Color, and you have the most beautiful, adorable bookmark that you can choose from. So, who's ready to get started with the supplies? You can ask an adult to help you find the supplies, or if you don't have the supplies, you can just watch and do the project with us. It is so much fun to watch and create all these amazing triangle bookmarks.
You're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to start. You're on a roll. You're here to take part, you've got a gold imagination. You're an artist at heart, you're on a roll. Yeah, you're ready to play, you're on a roll. Arts and crafts every day, and if you wanna make this world a better place with your art, you're on a roll.
Great, you're back, and the supplies are so simple. If you usually just watch because you think, oh, this is too complicated for me, no, this one you can totally do with us. Got it? Okay, so all I need for this project is envelopes, big or small, any color, some papers if you'd like, glue. Googly eyes are optional because they kind of defeat the purpose of a flat bookmark, like it kind of pops out, but sometimes they were just like too fun that I couldn't resist. And markers or crayons, and a book. So we're ready to get started. Look what I almost forgot, my special markers. Ordinary markers, just with pom-poms all over it. Okay, so we are going to start by picking up our envelope and making sure we are not using the side that opens. Okay, so this side I'm kind of gonna keep on the bottom because I don't wanna use that side. I wanna use this corner. So I'm gonna start with the watermelon bookmark because it's just so cute. Who doesn't just love watermelons? I know, you like watermelons too. Okay, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna cut it round. If you wanna make sure it's, pretty round before you cut it, do it with a pencil or a crayon or a marker. I'm gonna take a marker, and from the corner, I'm gonna make a rounded edge, like a big smile around it. A beautiful smile. And now I'm gonna take a nice big snip. Now, don't feel like you're destroying the envelope because you're actually creating something else. So here we go, it's nice and round, and all I gotta do now is decorate it. So I have my black bottom edge. I'm gonna make another little smile here. Remember, if you think of all designs and shapes, if you say make a watermelon, you might say, I can't draw a watermelon. But if you say, no, it's just a shape, it's just a smile, I can do that. I'm gonna make a third one here. And now, of course, I'm going to make the pits, the most fun. One here, one here, here. A little funny. one over here. I'm gonna color the bottom part, darker green. Okay. I'm gonna do a lighter green on the edge, actually. But definitely leave room for some of that white because it gives a really nice contrast. And now to just color in red. Oh, little pom-pom. I'm gonna color it on the envelope so it doesn't get on the table. Aww. Look how cute and simple. Look how cute and easy that was. Now, once you see this shape, you can think of probably so many other things you want to make. Actually, as I'm looking at it, I'm thinking, oh my gosh, I can make a pizza. I never thought of that before. Or my daughter said, hey, you can make, a birthday hat. You can make a little creature. You can make so many different things. I really want you to just stop, look, just at the shape. Are you with me? Just at the shape and let your imagination run wild and free. We're here in the world of honor roll crafts where we're always on a roll coming up with something new and exciting. What are you going to create? Here's some of the samples just to give you an idea, but I really want you to come up with something special of your own. So here's a little Har Sinai, Mount Sinai. Here's a little ice cream one. Now with the bookmarks, here's a really fun trick I want to show you. You can either make them that they go all the way inside. So this part of my book goes all the way in and it closes. Or what you could do is, I'm gonna show you my other ice cream cone. You can cut off the top. So when it's an actual bookmark, it still has that ice cream effect, but you only see the tip. So you can decide whatever you'd like. Then we have this adorable one I created with my class for Heyteves. You can make it for Father's Day or just to give your father a gift. He might love it. Who doesn't love little monsters? Look how cute this one looks on. It is so, so cute. Or this heart one. Look how cute this heart one is. Oh, sorry, opens on the other side, I forgot. Look how cute that is. It sticks on just like that. We're trying them all on. I feel like we're trying on dresses. Look how cute. And it pops out a little bit so you know exactly where you're up to. Or this birthday one. Also, you could give for someone's birthday. There's so many occasions you could think of for who you want to give it as a gift or just make for yourself. So let's make one or two more together. Which one do you want to try? We're gonna make the monster one because it's so cute, exciting, and has the googly eye. So instead of creating this one round, we're going to make it more square or like diamondy. So I'm gonna take a little crayon and make it more of a square in the corner. Now again, I do not want to do it on the side that opens because then my whole bookmark will fall apart. I'm going to cut it out. So you have a few choices. You can either color it in and put the googly eye on top, or you can cover it with paper so the color comes out very bright and vibrant. So I have here this beautiful blue color paper. I'm going to actually start by putting it underneath. I'm just taking the corner, slipping it in underneath, turning it over and trimming it because I don't need any excess paper in my bookmark. So I'm first starting out by putting it in the bottom, like a little blue paper sandwich. And I'm going to glue it in. So the whole bottom I'm gonna put in. It's gonna be nice and stuck. And now, if you notice, I don't need this whole top. So I'm gonna fold it over in half, and this whole part I do not need. So sorry, my friend, goodbye. Thank you for serving us, and we are going to snip you off, and I'm going to cover the top part also with blue. So I take the other side of my paper, I measure around this size. Okay, probably have to trim a little bit more. Trim, 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 always trimming. The paper can still go inside. I'm going to glue the top part on. And now for the teeth, I'm going to cut back and forth. Gonna glue the tips. Oop, I don't want it to bite me. Put it underneath and glue a nice googly on the top. Look how cute. Enjoy your book, read it to yourself, to your friend, and have a wonderful day. I am so excited that you joined us today for this simple but perfect, beautiful project.